Hello guys, in this video I will show you how to change your iPhone passcode. First, open your mobile setting and find password and passcode and touch ID and passcode. Click there and enter your current passcode. Now this is 3 option in your front. First, iPhone unlock. Now your iPhone is unlocked, but I am unable. If you add your fingerprint, then click add a fingerprint, and now add your finger on your printer. Yes. Now adjust your grip. Complete. Now you add third fingerprint. If you remove, then remove fingerprint. And if you change your passcode in digits, then change the passcode. First, open your old password and then enter new password, and then again enter new password and then OK. But I am not changing the password. Other setting if you require, but now we are changing the passcode our phone. And please like this video and subscribe our channel and press bell icon for more updates. Thanks for watching.